Everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Paul Guma, founder of PATTERNOLOGY LAB. In today's video, I'm going to be breaking down the stock Sony, right? And what I expect the stock to be doing within the next few days. And I'm also going to be answering some of you guys' questions as well in the comment section as always. And before we start with the video with Sony, I want to give a big congratulations to all of the longs who were able to bank on Neo. All of you guys, congratulations on catching that move, especially for those who watched this video that I published on the 25th. Neo looks great and it's looking like it's moving in the right direction. I'm very happy with it and I'm very patient with it as well. And if you missed that move, this is Neo right here. All right. So congratulations to all of you to the long. And we will talk about this further in the morning. It may surprise us. It may even gap up. So we never know. Again, we'll talk about that in the morning. But for now, let's talk about Sony. So for Sony, the stock, the one thing that I want to point out is that it has earnings tomorrow. Okay. Before we even talk about the predictions, it has earnings tomorrow. And earnings is very, very unpredictable and very wild. So if you're long in this, be really, really careful. The reason why I want to even talk about this is because of the pattern on the daily chart. The pattern on the daily chart is a very clean flag that broke out a few days ago, right? It broke out a few days ago, and right now, there is only one or two things that's going to happen. Number one, the stock does great, opens higher around like $79, right? Pre-market, and then pushes up higher all the way up to like, I don't know, somewhere around here. Somewhere around this zone is where I see Sony going, okay? Again, the pattern is the same. And the reference for that one is GPS. It's right there. Again, there's no surprises here. Same pattern, same thing. And this is what I see here. Okay, so one or two things is gonna happen. Number one, it performs, it does well, and there's no scare tomorrow. Option number two is that the stock tanks and gets back in here at around $73, which would really not be so nice, especially for people who went long before the market closed. But Sony is a great company, right? They got the PS4 coming out, as you've seen in the thumbnail. I got that logo going in the thumbnail. So, yeah, they got that coming out. So we'll see, the PS5, I mean. So we'll see what happens in the morning. So definitely keep Sony on your watch list for tomorrow. It may make a move, especially if it opens higher at around like 79 or $80. And if it doesn't even open up higher, it may just take a little longer in order to get in here. Okay. But regardless, like either we go up like this or we curl back down and we go up some more like this. So either way, as long as we don't crumble down to like $70, I'm still bullish on Sony. And Sony looks great. I would not short this. As a short seller, I would not. I would not put myself in the front of that. No. That does not seem wise. So that is my very honest opinion on Sony. The next stock that I want to talk to all of you about is looking great. That one is Sono. And Sono is still showing strength. It's still looking good. And it looks like that reverse head and shoulders is still in play. So do not be surprised to see a move up to around $18 at first, and then maybe $20 next. And right now, the way it's looking after market, yeah, it's just going sideways. So definitely keep your eyes on this one, especially tomorrow for a break above like 1645. So keep this one on your watch list as well. I am not bearish on it. I repeat, I am not bearish on Sono. The next stock that y'all asked about in the comment section was Snap. And Snapchat is still consolidating in a very boring fashion. So I do want the stock to pull back just a little bit. Like a little bit more would be nice to like $39. Okay. And given the fact that the SPY is down right now, the SPY is down after market. It's at negative 0.47. Unfortunately, it didn't follow up with that move that I drew here, unfortunately. But I would say it didn't follow up on the move today. Okay, but it still has a chance to make that move upwards. So I'm not completely bearish on it until this thing disappoints. Until like if tomorrow like the stock like this thing is down like negative like 1% and we're down here below 3300, then you should be adjusting your perspective to go shorts down to like 3200 or yeah to 3200. So again, just keep that in mind. Be very flexible up here. Okay, do not have a bias. I repeat, do not have a bias. Just watch it closely. Okay, be really patient with that one. The next stock that I want to talk to all of you about is apps. And apps is still tanking. I think it's gonna tank just a little bit more to around like 29.50, maybe $30 before we see a rebound on there. But yeah, it's literally like getting deeper into the price target, like deeper. So again, congratulations for all the shorts. If you're still shorting this, right? Congratulations to y'all. I've mentioned this a couple of times in the previous videos, and the stock is performing really, really well. Okay, another stock that some of you have been asking about is Facebook. So let's talk about Facebook really quick. Facebook popped up here right after Snapchat crushed earnings, right? And so far, it's actually looking decent. I'm not short bias on it at all. The one thing that I don't like is earnings again. I don't like earnings again. So again just watch this thing. Watch it, okay? If you want to go in small, like I don't know, like with a very small amount that you're not gonna cry over if this thing tanks all the way down to like 60, or just do it at your own risk. I'm personally not gonna hold anything through earnings, but it's looking pretty nice right now. Like if you do not take this into account, like it's consolidating right now, and any short sellers who got in here at the top, right there, or right here, right in this region, would be scared and would cover as soon as the stock goes up to like 285 and breaks up even higher. So yeah, keep Facebook on your watch list for tomorrow and the next few days. I can't wait to see exactly how it's gonna open tomorrow, and I may cover it tomorrow in tomorrow's pre-market video as well. So definitely watch it closely for tomorrow. Another stock that I think y'all should pay attention to is Intel. The stock is getting annihilated. Okay, just be patient with this one. It's not a trashy company. It may want to go all the way back down to $43 before bouncing. So just be very patient with this one. It got annihilated. It's just cruising back down. So definitely watch that one for tomorrow. And I believe one of y'all asked about WKHS. So let's talk about Workhorse. Workhorse, which performed very well up here, very predictable fashion, right? And then right now it's just not doing anything at all. Short sellers are just squeezing the juice out of the lemon. They're not done yet. I think the stock can go just a little bit lower. Like I would not be surprised to see the stock go all the way down to like 15, 20, and then consolidating, and then whatever happens through earnings is whatever that happens. Like again, be really careful with earnings. And another stock that I'm gonna wrap this video up with is FE. I believe some of you asked this before. I talked about FE like a month ago, and all of my drawings are still there. Literally, everything is still there. The stock is moving as expected. And for those of you who are still long on it, congratulations. But one thing that I want to let y'all know is that earnings is right around the corner. Okay? If you made money on this move, don't be greedy. Do not be greedy. Okay? It's okay to take some money off the table. Like it doesn't hurt. Nobody went bankrupt by taking like 300% gain on the contracts right here. So just again, take some money off the table. What happens through earnings is what happens through earnings. Again, just my humble opinion, okay? But right now, like, where's this gonna go? I honestly don't know. I honestly don't really care. The price target was in here. It's already there. So again, we'll just talk about it after earnings. Again, when we see what happens next. So that is my thoughts and opinions on Sony and other stocks that y'all have been asking about. Again, if you got value from this video, destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm as always. If you're not following us on social media, you can find me at Paul and Guma and at Patternology Lab on Instagram and on Twitter. If you're new to this channel, definitely click on that subscribe button and also click on the notification bell and all notification. That way you don't miss out on these price predictions, the pre-market analysis videos, which are released exactly 15 minutes before the market opens, and also the post-market analysis videos like this one, which are released between 7 p.m. and 8 p.m. Central Time. If you're a beginner looking to get started in the stock market, there are directions in the description of the video, step by step. It only takes 15 minutes to get signed up to get access to this amazing tool, Think or Swim. This one is absolutely free, okay? And you also can get 2 free stocks by signing up with Webull with the link below, and 1 free stock by signing up with Robinhood using the link below as well. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Paul and Guma with Patternology Lab, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I'm going to see all of you tomorrow morning at 8:15 a.m. Central Time. 8:15.